How are you today?
We are fine, Mom.
Alright, so we have another interesting episode today. I told you in our previous classes that your vowels are very important. They are very few, but they are very important. In most cases, they can be tricky. So we're going to pick them one after the other. You know we have the long and the short vowels. So our viewers out there, we check the description for our previous videos in long and short vowels. To spell most tricky words, you need to understand those long and short vowels very well. You need to study them very well. So we're going to pick them one by one. We are going to start with the long vowel U. We are going to start with the long vowel U. Your long vowels are A, your long vowels are
A,
I, good children. So we're going to study them one after the other. We are going to start with the most tricky long vowel, which is the long vowel U. The long vowel. When you know the way those U or the long vowel and the short vowels are being used, you will be able to pronounce most of your tricky words correctly. Is that taken? Let's get to it. So today I said we are looking at the long vowel U. We use the long vowel U in different ways. The first one we are going to look at is the long vowel U spelled as U and he. U and E. Not U and E together. U and E separately. Do you get that? Alright, let's get to it. The first E. Q. You remember I told you that whenever you have two vowels in a single word, the first one we take the long vowel, while the second vowel is
silent.
good children, you remember. So you already know your U here is a long vowel. Then we have Q. Q. You can see your long U here, right?
Yes.
Then we have cute. I can't hear you. Cute. Good. Meal. Ew. Meal. Ew. Tune. Ew. Tune. Ew. Feel. Feel. Fl. Ew. Flew. Fl. Ew. Flew. Ew. June. J. Ew. June. Ew. Rule. Ew. Rule. Per. Ew. Per. Per. Ew. Per. Then we also have the U and E together. We also have the U and E together. You remember, it will only take the sound U while the E is silent. As in blue. E. Blue. 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 E. Clean. I can hear you. Clear. Good. E. Clean. Glue. Can you see those ones are a bit tricky? They are a bit tricky, right?
Yes.
Glue. Then we have true. Ew. tricky words like church, church, due, valley, rescue. Then we have the long U spelled in U and I, UI together. It's going to take the only sound of U while the I is silent, as in suits, suits, jers, jers, cruise, cruise, bruise, bruise. Alright? Then we have the long U spelled in EW. When you pronounce EW, it sounds heel. It sounds heel. You will hear the sound of that long U at the end of your heel. You will hear the sound of your long U at the end of your heel. It's a bit tricky. You can only get it by studying it carefully. U as in new. New. I can't hear you. New. Few. Chew. Chew. Blue. Steel. Alright, we also have the long U spelled in OO. OO sounds. Ooh. OO sounds. OO sounds. Ooh as in moon. Ooh as in. Ooh as in soon. Soon. Food. School. Room. Room. Spoon. Good children. And the last one, which is rare, but you will see them in your daily reading. It's rare, but you see them in your daily reading. Is the long U spelled as O-U. Is the long U spelled as words? O-U.
Yeah.
Let's see the application. You have your OU in you. Samuel, you are my friend. Samuel, you are my friend. Samuel, you are my friend. You. Girl. So. Yo. You. You. Then we're going to read a simple passage with a long U. We're going to read a simple passage with a long U. Alright. June has a cute little pup.
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 She likes to take it for a walk
She likes to take it for a
in
walk
a blue afternoon sky.
in the blue afternoon
The
sky.
pup sees a huge balloon
The pup sees a huge
and
balloon
makes a funny noise.
and makes a funny noise.
The pup sees a huge balloon
The pup sees a huge balloon
and makes a funny noise.
and makes a funny noise.
Jill gives it a chew toy.
June gives it a chew toy.
June gives it a chew toy
June gives it a chew
to
toy
help it stay calm.
to help it stay
To
calm.
help it stay calm.
To help it stay
They
calm.
sat on a little bench
They sat on the bench
and enjoyed the cool breeze.
and enjoyed the cool breeze.
June loves a new pup
June loves a new pup
and he thinks it's truly unique.
and think it's truly unique.
And think it's truly unique.
And think it's truly unique.
You keep practicing words with those long U. And today you've learned different ways we can use the long U. I said the long U can be spelled as U and E separately. It can be spelled as UE. It can be spelled as UI. It can be spelled as EW. It can be used as OO. It can be used as OU. So that when you come across them in the words, you know how to apply them. Don't forget, keep practicing. Keep watching your videos. Is that taken?
Yes.
As our viewers out there, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also drop your comments in the comment section and check